Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we would like to introduce our powerful mass email sender software, designed for individuals, businesses, marketers, and anyone who wants to reach a large audience quickly, efficiently, and reliably. If you've ever struggled with email campaigns ending up in spam folders, you've probably experienced low open rates, poor engagement, and disappointing results. That's exactly the problem our software is built to solve. Our mass email sender is designed to maximize inbox delivery while making the entire process simple and automated. Just import your email list, configure your campaign, and let the software handle the rest. Before sending begins, the software verifies your email list by checking whether email addresses are valid. This helps reduce bounces, improves campaign performance, and ensures you're sending messages only to legitimate recipients. One of the biggest advantages of our platform is our private SMTP infrastructure. Instead of relying on third-party services with strict sending limits or expensive monthly subscriptions, we provide access to more than 4,500 ready-to-use sending accounts. This powerful infrastructure allows campaigns to be distributed efficiently across multiple sending accounts, improving reliability and helping maximize inbox placement. Whether you're promoting your website, online business, digital products, software, YouTube channel, affiliate offers, cryptocurrency projects, NFTs, online courses, or any other legitimate service, our software is built to help you reach your audience on a massive scale. Unlike many traditional email marketing platforms that limit the number of emails you can send every month, our software allows you to send as many emails as you need. There are no artificial sending limits holding back your campaigns. Whether you're sending thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of emails, the system is built to scale with your business. Speed is another major advantage. Large campaigns that could normally take hours can be completed much faster thanks to our optimized sending infrastructure. This allows you to focus on growing your business instead of worrying about complicated email delivery. The software is also designed to be user-friendly. You don't need advanced technical knowledge to get started. Simply upload your email list, create your message, choose your campaign settings, and launch your campaign in just a few clicks. Reliable email delivery is one of the most important factors in successful email marketing. It doesn't matter how good your product or service is if your emails never reach your audience. That's why we've focused on building an infrastructure designed to maximize successful delivery and provide consistent performance for every campaign. Our software can be used across many different industries. Digital marketers can promote new products and services. Content creators can grow their YouTube channels and online communities. Software developers can introduce new applications. Crypto projects can reach their communities. E-commerce businesses can announce new products, discounts, and special promotions. The possibilities are virtually endless. As your business grows, our platform grows with you. Whether you're running a small campaign or managing large-scale marketing operations, the software is designed to handle increasing workloads without slowing you down. Our goal is simple: provide a powerful, reliable, and scalable email marketing solution that helps you connect with more people while saving both time and resources. If you're looking for a professional mass email sender that combines email verification, unlimited email sending, an extensive SMTP infrastructure with more than 4,500 ready-to-use sending accounts, and the flexibility to launch campaigns of any size, then this software is built for you. Stop wasting money on expensive monthly email platforms and start sending smarter with a solution designed for serious marketers and businesses. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you take your email marketing to the next level.